Oh, it is a beautiful sunny Sunday morning. And off in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, we got 3, maybe 4 hot air balloons back there. Just a gorgeous time to be out and about. Time to wake up some animals, let them come outside and have their best morning as well. We'll add in a little goat water there. Here we are at Chicken Manor. With a little bunny running through. Let's see. I can get the old party started here with a little scratch. And I probably as well should fire up the water. And we can go ahead and rinse this one out. It just kind of went nuts all over everything with the scratch or the oyster shell. I think by throwing scratch in there, they got in and they just started digging, playing with the scratch and kicking at all the stuff. That's pretty funny. All right, where are we going? So we're going to go with a little more scratch over here. A little more over there. A little more over there. Let's do just a little more. Scratch for the chickies. I still think we're going to need to get a bucket of water from over here. So I don't have any huge chores standing in the way today. I think we are going to do some weed and feed. We've got our lend a hand day today, which is our kind of day for people who just like to come out and play on the ranch. So I think for our lend a hand today, anybody who shows up, we're going to try a little weed and feed action. That should be awfully fun, because there are some epic sized weeds down in the crop circle area. Then today we got a handful of bee hut guests this morning, which is awesome. I love people to come out and relax a bit. And this should be a great morning for it. I think most of our guests are going to be done by midday, early afternoon, which is a good thing here in Colorado these days because it does get a little warm. And it can get a little warm in the bee huts too. But I actually kind of like it when it's hot in the bee huts because then it's like, not that I've ever done hot yoga, but I think it's got to be something like the equivalent. I think when it's really hot in the bee huts, we wind up with a much more intense experience. Hang on. I'm going to keep looking for places where I can take these off. Why not? Got those filled. Should have done that probably ahead of time. That's all right. Let's go ahead and turn the chicken tank off. And then we're going to start the goat spigot. And we're going to give them 10 minutes on the goat spigot. Fill up over there. Hang up yon hose so that doesn't get too gross from the chickens playing on it. And out we come for a big old day. Chicken Manor girls. Ooh, the rooster's up first. You weren't ready to be grabbed, were you? Okay, there you go. No. Don't even ask about that. I thought once upon a time it was just so cute how the chickens loved to be petted. Told that to my mother, who then told me what the chickens were really doing. Just in case there's any kids watching, let's just say that's rooster ready position, if you know what I mean. Okay, moving on. Well, that's probably about enough chaos to get us going. I got scratch and food and water and all's right in Chicken Manor. Be good, girls. We will see you back this afternoon. Is that actually going? Not very fast, but it's going. Ah, such a quiet barnyard. It's like yeah, give me a second. I'll fix that. That should be a fun view down the old chicken yard. I always like to throw a little scratch over into the goat area because, well, the goats like to eat scratch. And the chickens go over there, so keep them busy. Give them something to find. Bored animals are never a good thing. They don't need a lot of action. Bored animals get into trouble, though. Just ask Louie. It's never good to have a bored Louie. Let me go ahead and put the extra food down into the bowls for my lazy ducks and chickens who like to eat from bowls. And don't like to stick their heads into the feeders. Food into that bowl. And then we'll turn around, take a look this way. And now the chickens. Let's see if Kevin is ready to come out and play this morning. There's usually a pretty quick shot of ducks. I'll see if I got any duck eggs that I can grab here. Good morning. Oh, one right here. 1, 2. Let's grab these before y'all run over. There's a third. Do I see Kevin? Don't immediately see Kevin. Woo! That was exciting. Incoming. Okay, let me get out of the door. I'm asking for trouble being in the door. I saw a third duck egg, but I think we're gonna have to let the world work its way out here for a second. I'll go hang these duck eggs on the hook. And keep an eye on everybody coming out of the barn there. Let me know if anything weird happens. Let me know if you see Kevin there. Good morning, everybody. Yes. How are y'all doing? I'm going to be right back and we're going to get started. I got to go get my camera, see if we got Kevin back. All right. Did you see Kevin yet? I think you saw a lot of ducks. And some roosters. Well, what about a great big old turkey? Oh, I see. Here, come with me. I don't think she's coming down right away. Oh, look at her come. Here she comes. Maybe. Let's see. You coming down, Kev? I thought she was gonna. You coming down? You gonna come get breakfast, honey? You gonna show us the Kevin dismount? Let's see it. I think you're going for it. Let's see it. I think you need a drum roll. Come on. Show us some magic. You can do it. Come on, Kevin. You can do it. Here, am I standing in your way? Oh, there you go. Good morning, sweetie. That was very well done. Oh, look. What, I got 3 more eggs in here? I'm getting them now before... No? Oh my goodness. What in the world happened in here? Look at all these eggs. Hey, hey. I got 2 here. That one is broken, but at least it's a laid egg. So, all right. Then, if we're coming back... Oh my gosh. There's another one back here. That one's broken as well, but at least it was laid. All right, so quite the bonanza of duck eggs. Did not expect to come out with that many. Anything back there? No. What about you? Are you broken too? Oh, you look still like you're good. And then way back here, wow. I guess they were staging a little bit of a comeback. I don't even want to try and hand carry these out though. Let's see, because I already took out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we have 8 and 9. Well, okay, ladies. That's a lot of duck eggs. Bring the bucket back here when we're done letting everybody else out. I bet they would pretty well like to be back in. Hey, Kev, don't steal my coffee. Yeah? How was your night? Uh-huh. Okay. Wow. 9 as a start to the day. Color me impressed. Hey, everybody. How are y'all doing? Hi, Merida. How's my sweet girl? Yeah, she's good to see you. Oh, now none of that, gentlemen. Those games are... Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Let there be light. How's everyone doing? Hey, Cece. How are you this morning, huh? Don't play with your ear? Okay. Merlin? How's my little Merlin man down there? I don't really think I've got a super easy spot there. We'll just keep doing this. All right, everybody. Merlin, are you gonna get back and get out of the way? I got a lot of goats in here. Gwenny, Merlin, out. Outski, outski. Out. Gaston, what are you doing here, bud? You don't normally crowd in. Come on, let's go. Come on. Not on the tire, thank you. Much harder with you on the tire. Now, don't be mean to Sassy, Billy. Okay, gates are locked. And there's the sun. Holy moly. I think we've got enough grain for one more morning. Yeah. Might have to fill it up tonight. Definitely gonna have to fill it up tonight. That's all right. I'm hurrying. I'm gonna do hay too. I'm not gonna forget it. Grain. Probably should have done that first. They get a little more wrapped up once they know grain's in play. But I think I'd rather have them a little antsy. Oop. Hey, stop it, Louie. My mistake. My ever smallifying hay pile. There's some broken eggshells from back in the back area there. Let's see if this exposes more hidden eggs. Not immediately. They'll turn up. You know, today is barn cleaning day. I'm kind of expecting Chloe and Dilly. Chloe and Dilly? Wow. I'm going to have to tell them of that one. Chloe and Dilly. I like it. Anyway, Chloe and Dylan, I'm kind of expecting them to be here today. Fingers crossed. If that's the case, maybe if I can use their time here, I could shift that hay, open it up. Oh, it's so much easier to do this without the help of the goats. Well, there you go, Kevin. You're already making your presence known. Kevin likes to take her morning walk on top of the shelters. Oh, you weird turkey. Gobble, gobble. I thought we were talking there for a minute. Wonder what I said. I'll get this hay out of there, and then you're ready to roll. You can come out and play. But first, the hay. Now it's time for unleashing the big goats and sheep, for which I'm sure they will be quite grateful. Oh my gosh! What tragedy! What complaint! Okay, Louie, you ready to show me how you can charge the front of the pack? Let me close this. Oh, stop that. Here you go. I have 4 goats. And some whiners over there. Mac, you've just got a mouth on you. Dude. Yeah. Christoph, you're not going to figure it out, are you? Come on. Bex, you can come through. Oh, the tragedy. That is just so tragic. Oh no, I'm out of grain. Luckily, I have a little more of my growing boys. Mac, I think you're setting a new record for complaining. Oh, here we go. We're coming over here. And then zoom. Just like that. Boom, boom. It's like a clapper. Goat whining on. Clap, clap. Goat whining off. You are such a complainer, Mac. My goodness. I think you've never eaten before. I, of course, have no clue if you are weaned. Because, you know, when it's not a bottle baby, I pretty much figure that's up to the moms. And when they're done, I don't think they're shy about saying they're done. Is that it? Is that like everything? I think I've got everything here today. All right. Oh, no, wait. Ha. Good me. The duck bounty. Let's get these as safe as we can for the 7 that are not damaged. But 9. Duck egg apology day, huh? Okay, now I really have 0 expectations of any more, but you just never know. Didn't get any more right now, did I? Let's not be greedy. Okay. That feels like everything. That feels like everything, and I'm going to say I'm done with this. And we shall move on. Probably some work in the garden. Since I got all my bee stuff caught up except for the Capella Ranch bee hut hives, I wanted to inspect those this morning. However, we've got guests, and you know what? That is the worst time to inspect beehives. So we'll get to it the next morning. But they're in good shape, so I'm not too worried. All right. We'll see you back for collecting some eggs.